If you're interested in this type of embroidery videos, if you're an embroidery lover, please give me a like, share, and please subscribe my channel. In my channel, if you're checking the shorts, you will get the variety of the embroidery technique for the small cute fabric. So please check my channel. If you are thinking it is suitable for you, please subscribe my channel. So the same stitch I just did it as a shorts and a long video also. This type of embroidery, if you are really enjoying, please give me a comment and please write in my channel. It will help me also to get support in the YouTube. So when I am doing when I am doing the channel, I will get most viewers in the shorts. So if you like to see the slow videos, you can check the long videos playlist or live videos. You will get adequate resources. So based on your interest, if it is a shorts also, if it is there, long video also adequate is there. So based on your needle, you can check it and you can subscribe my channel. So this is the last one. So just kept a little front. Basically I like this stitches and this presentation very much. So if you are enjoying that, please like my channel, and we'll see after finishing this one, we'll remove the stick and we'll connect it everything together. Before that, we should tie this one. So this is the back side. We should tie now itself, otherwise it will get loose and oh sorry, this is the back side. If we should tie it now itself, otherwise the stitch will get loosened. Next we should take the green thread itself. So for the center, we should, for connecting, I'm using the green thread. So here also I'm using the 3 embroidery strands of thread, and total I'm using as a 6.